I ain't ready yet. Wait.
Girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again. Today I will be doing a Instagram baddie tutorial. This is just a look I put together. It honestly didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, but you guys seem to love it on Instagram, and a lot of people asked me you know, if I did a tutorial on it or whatever. And yeah, I did. But guys, listen, I am not a makeup artist. I am not a professional. This is just how I do what I do. Okay, so I did my eyebrows prior to. The orange stuff on my face is Orange Corrector from LA Pro Girl. I am going to start off with the base, and I'm using the LA Pro Girl concealer in Fawn as a base. So I am going to be using this Beauty of Color Cosmetics palette, and this is the Melanin Treasure palette. As you guys can see, these beautiful colors here. I am using a orange in the, well, I'm using that little dark orange shade as a transition color, and then I go in with a nice pixie light pale pink purplish lavender. I don't know how to say this, but yeah, I'm going in with that, packing that all over the lid. And then I'm gonna put the broken shade, unfortunately, it's like a pixie rose pink color, all into the all over the lid, like in a cut crease motion type of thing. And I'm just gonna use my crayon case liner in Line Me liner in black. This is a liquid liner. I'm almost finished with it. I had it for about 2 months now. It's almost done. Gonna be using that, and then I'm gonna be using the Hourglass mascara. I just got this mascara from Sephora, and it's pretty good. It comes off easy, comes on very nice and black and thick. It's pretty good. So yeah, guys, moving on to foundation, I am using the Beauty Bakery Cake Mix foundation. This is in the shade 27. Now, as you guys can see, when it comes on, it's very, very light, but once it oxidizes, it does you know, it does form into my skin tone. So don't be worried. I was worried at first, but yeah, I decided to give this foundation another go. I did order this last year, and I used the other shade instead, but my skin seems to be changing colors as I am trying to tone it up a bit, and it has been clearing up and stuff. But guys, I'm not, like, at first I wasn't a fan. Like, I don't know, as I was putting the foundation on, I didn't like how I was looking with the brush, so I just went in with a beauty blender, because to me it was just working better with the beauty blender. So I'm just like packing that on. But this foundation is very tricky to work with, and honestly, like, would I buy this foundation again? No, I would not. It looks good, but I don't like what it does. Like, some people like to blend for minutes, and it's like the more you blend, the more it picks up on the, either you're using a brush or a beauty blender, and then it can't really be too damp because this is a matte. It's just a lot. So I am going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch, and I'm just packing it all over, you know, my highlight zone, under my eyes, above my lip, my chin, nose, forehead. And I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, cream contour kit. I love the contour kit. And I'm just going to blend that in, you know, using my Real Technique brush, and just blending that in like so. Okay guys, so to set this makeup, I am using the Crayon Case Chalk Dust setting powder. This is in the shade A. I pretty much love this powder ever since I got it in February. I've been using it like crazy, and I love it. I love it more than the Rihanna Fenty Beauty. I really don't like Fenty Beauty setting powder. I'm sorry, I just don't. And yeah, I'm just using that to set everywhere that I highlighted. Okay, and I am gonna go in with the Crayon Case Contourization notebook, using the two darkest shades. I like to just, you know, mix my brush in and use those two dark shades there and just contour my nose, cheekbones, jawline, and around my forehead. So guys, as I'm looking at this makeup look, it's really not that hard, especially the eyeshadow look. Like, it's really super easy. I only use like 3 colors. Super easy, beginner, very beginner friendly. Okay, so I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses foundation powder in Chestnut to just dust all that away. You know, sometimes it takes a little effort to dust all of it away, but I'm just dusting all of that away. And yeah guys, pretty simple, pretty easy. I hope you guys like this look. I mean, at first, like I said, I didn't like it, wasn't really a fan, but all the love that I got on my pictures on Instagram, you guys just seem to just love this look, and I'm just glad that I did record it. But yeah guys, so going in with highlighter, I am using a Crayon Case highlighter in Honor Roll. I've noticed I've been using this highlighter a lot lately. So I did put on these beautiful lashes from Misfit Boulevard. They are in the color Allure. And I am going in with my 3 lip routine that I see I like to use lately pretty often. I'm going in with the brown shade from Colored Rain. I'll leave all the information down below. I forgot the name of this. But it's a nice, pretty, you know, chocolate brown that I like to use to outline my lip first. And then I go in with the nude color from Colored Rain, and it's called Sugar. I like to use that in the middle. And then I go over that with the Gloss Bomb from Fenty, and it just gives it that nice nude looking pretty color. And I could just wear it just like that, but I love the lip gloss on top of it. And then I spray with my Gerard Cosmetics, and boom guys, I love this look. You know, if you guys are enjoying this look, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you next video.